In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your GoDaddy website to your Facebook business page. This is a useful setup if you want your website and your Facebook presence to work together more smoothly. Connecting them can help make your brand feel more consistent online, and it also makes it easier to manage parts of your marketing from one place. I'll walk you through the process, step by step, in a simple way so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can access the products and services connected to your account. Click on your profile, then choose My Products. This section shows everything you currently have under your GoDaddy account, including your domain, website tools, and any related services. From there, find the option for DNS and click it. DNS settings are where your domain connections and website-related configurations are managed, so this is an important place to be. After opening DNS, click Manage. This will take you into the area where you can control settings tied to your domain and connected services. Next, look for the Marketing section and click on it. Inside Marketing, you should see an option labeled Social. Go ahead and click Social to continue. This is the part of GoDaddy that helps you connect your website or brand with social media platforms. Now, select the option to connect on Facebook. Once you click that, GoDaddy will begin guiding you through the Facebook connection process. Follow the prompts shown on your screen carefully. You may be asked to log into Facebook if you're not already signed in, and you'll likely need to approve permissions so GoDaddy can connect with your Facebook business page properly. Make sure you select the correct business page during this process if you manage more than one. Take your time reading each screen before clicking Continue, because the exact prompts can vary slightly depending on your account setup or Facebook's current interface. The important thing is to keep following the on-screen instructions until the connection is confirmed successfully. Once the setup is complete, your GoDaddy website should now be linked to your Facebook business page. If anything doesn't look right, go back and review each section carefully to make sure you selected the right options. And that's it. You've successfully connected your GoDaddy website to Facebook.